You threatened us?
I didn't threaten you one bit.
Been drinking?
I have not been drinking. I'm a non-drinker. Yes. My whole life, I'm a non-drinker.
Well, then you got some other kind of problem. You got to rate some kind of...
I asked you to move over.
Kind of problem with your temperament or something.
Temperament?
Yeah.
You cannot block our legal passage here. Do you have a permit?
There's no legal passage.
Do you have a
These are all
permit?
permitted. I don't see.
Do you have a permit?
I don't see a legal permit on you.
What do you think that is in my window?
See it back there.
Where's the window?
I apologize. It's in the window.
Wait, we're gonna.
What's wrong with that?
You just moved the anchors. Before, I would have had to run over the anchors.
So ask us to move.
I did, and you said no.
I didn't say no.
I said, oh, move over, and you...
This guy, he committed a crime.
I committed a crime. Okay, here's...
You did.
I committed a crime.
You threatened my daughter.
Who threatened? I didn't threaten anybody.
Pal, I got you.
How did I threaten anybody? He's lying, by the way. Anybody that knows me, I wouldn't mess with kids.
Everybody knows you. I hurt you.
Huh?
I heard you.
Get in your truck.
I got it. I got it.
Yeah.
I heard you.
You didn't. I didn't say a
word. And I
word.
got you on this phone.
I didn't say a warning to anybody.
Now to get in your truck and turn around and go back.
I'm going where I'm allowed to go
You're going to go there? That's fine, because I'm going to have a state policeman down here in about 10 minutes.
I want to see it.
Do you have any idea the Eagles are in overtime right now?
I have an idea. Yeah.
Hey, look, here we go. Video this.
Yes, but you had the anchors out. You had the anchors out earlier. You had the anchors out earlier.
Back away.
You had the anchors out earlier.
Back up.
And I would never threaten anybody. That's not my thing.
You can put it on your.
Hey, I'm the editor of the local newspaper.
Oh, you really? What's your name?
Yeah, J-Man.
Oh, you're J-Man?
Yes.
That's good, J-Man, because I got you on there.
Because now you're
editor of the local newspaper. What,
Yeah.
am I supposed to be impressed by that?
No, I'm just telling you that people know me here. People know me here.
No, you have a temperament problem.
A temperament. I asked you to move so we could get through.
He's just going to go. Let's go.
It's not going anywhere because I got him.
I mean, you did. You came out of nowhere, nasty enough for no reason.
You can't tell me. All right, just don't tell me you didn't have the anchors out.
We're literally beating a dead horse.
You had the anchors out. Now they're cleared away.
Sorry, have a great day.
Now they're cleared away.
Sorry.
Well, they were going to be cleared away in 20 seconds if you just came and said, hey.
Okay, so you admit they were out there. You admit they were out there.
Have a great day.
Do you want to call the police still?
Have a great day. Have a great day. Just have a great day. Sorry.
All right. Should I call the police?
Listen, I'm not letting you go. You can do what you want.
Dad.
You threatened Kristen.
I didn't threaten anybody. You know I didn't.
Don't tell me you didn't.
I did
heard
not.
you. Don't put your hands on me either.
Look, you're the one that's moving toward
no,
me.
I'm telling you. You're not going to threaten my daughter.
I didn't
Get in your
threaten
truck
anybody.
And turn around and go back.
Which one's your daughter, at least?
Right? Kristen, don't worry about it.
She's the daughter?
Get in your truck, J-Man.
Right.
Right, Mr. Editor, you can read about yourself on social media.
Okay.
Right, if that's the way you want. You want to make a big deal out of this? Take that out of my face.
You were just videotaping me.
Yeah,
How am I not allowed to entertain you?
Because you were angry. You came at us.
I signaled you.
I don't start anything with anybody. You started with us.
Listen to you and you say you don't start anything.
Well, yeah, because I'm not going to put up with it.
Put up with what?
All you had to do was ask us.
I asked you to move the anchor. You asked that fellow. I signaled him. I have it on dash cam. I have it on dash cam.
Okay, well,
I have it on dash cam.
I hope you do.
Send us the video.
We can solve this right now, but you just get your truck and leave going. Thank you for your time.